David's Tech now. Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make a logo. First things first guys, you open your browser and over here the tool we are going to use today is known as Canva. So you just search for Canva on Google. You get Canva official site and now let it load. Yeah, it's here. So I'll just log in or you can just sign up. I'll just do it log in with Google. And look, we're here in the dashboard of our Canva application. So right now you need to go in for you and find logo, or in for you it can be different for any person. So you just click create a design and search for logo. So here it is, logo. You can create any YouTube channel logo, badge logo, computer logo, t-shirt. But today I'm just going to do a simple logo. So guys, now I'm going to show you all the tools you can use while creating a logo. So guys, I'm going to create a logo. So I'm going to create it on a gaming then. So I'll make a logo on gaming. You can start from scratch or you can go in the templates and write gaming logo. Gaming, wait, yeah, gaming logo. So now when you search gaming logo, all the gaming logos will come. So guys, let's just use the, not this. So guys, let's use this one. Yeah. So now you have this image already. Some images have some special features like this. You can edit their colors. Look, as you can see, I can actually change the theme to blue. If I make this dark blue, this a little light, and this like this, and this does. Nah, let's just keep it white. So now you can see I've actually changed the theme, and like you can change the name like gaming logo. I'm just gonna keep this. So now you can actually, if you click 2 times on the background, you can crop it, or you click just 1 time, you can edit the image. You can remove the background, but that comes in Pro. You can add some like filters, but no need for that for now. So I'm just going to make this the darkest shade of blue. Look, it's looking cool, right? You can create logos like this, and of course you can animate them. If you have a YouTube channel, like let's try tumble on this, burst on this, and skate on this, and you can also add in the background. So I'll just click once, go and animate, and go in this and add. So guys, now I've just done it. You can change the transparency, like make it totally transparent. We don't want that, never mind. So if you want to you can click this, your logo, or the best way is if you want to like do for commercial, like for YouTube videos, So I'll just do present for having a good view. So now you can see the logo which I just made. I'll just rewind a little. You can open a new tab. You can start it from starting. So this is the audience window which I just opened. And if you go in presenter mode, there's a feature like I'm just going to resume this. So you can view it like that, but now let's just stop the presenting. So the logo is loading. So as you can see, the logo is back there. Right, guys. And guys, if I search for gaming logo, you can see all of them. You can create more logos, and if you want, you can actually select one and position it, or you can like add a link to your YouTube channel. Like I'm just gonna add youtube.com/DavidsTechno. So now after that, if I present, and now I'm using as a standard, I click on this, my YouTube homepage will open. See? So you can get it like that. As I told you, now I'll just close this. So guys, you can create many kinds of logo, event logo, fashion logo, basketball logo, etc. Or you can just start with a custom size. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more tips on technology and tricks too. So bye bye guys. Meet you in my next video. Bye.